In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Prezi. Mind mapping is a powerful way to organize and visualize your ideas, and Prezi offers a dynamic platform that enhances this experience. Let's embark on this journey to create an engaging and comprehensive mind map. To kick things off, the first thing you want to do is open Prezi and start a new presentation. This will lay the groundwork for our mind map. Once you're in, you'll need to choose a mind map style template. Prezi offers a variety of templates, particularly those with branching topics, allowing for an intuitive flow of ideas. Selecting the right template is crucial as it sets the tone and the visual appeal of your mind map. Next, you'll want to add a main topic to your mind map. This will represent your central idea, the anchor that the rest of your content orbits around. Think of this as the heart of your map, which should clearly convey the primary subject or theme of your presentation. Following that, you'll begin to create subtopics, which are the key concepts directly connected to your main idea. Consider these as the pillars that support and expand upon your central topic. As you list these, try to keep them concise yet descriptive enough so they efficiently convey their point. From here, it's time to add additional levels of subtopics to further expand on details and forge connections between ideas. This hierarchical structure not only helps in structuring your thoughts, but also makes it easier for your audience to follow along. Remember to delve deep where necessary to provide a thorough exploration of your ideas. To enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your mind map, insert icons, colors, and visuals. These elements do wonders for organizing your thoughts and making the map more engaging. Visual aids can sometimes communicate ideas more effectively than text, so feel free to make liberal use of Prezi's icon library or upload your visuals. Play around with colors to distinguish different sections, which can make navigation easier and visually pleasing for your audience. Now, to make your mind map interactive, use zoom paths. Prezi's dynamic zoom feature allows you to move smoothly between ideas and sections, creating a captivating flow that keeps your audience engaged. Crafting a logical path through your map lets you emphasize particular areas and create a narrative flow that guides the viewer seamlessly from one point to another. And there we have it. That's how you create a mind map in Prezi. With this engaging and effective tool, you can take your audience on a visual journey that not only informs, but also captivates. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to dive in and start crafting your own mind map using Prezi today. Thank you for watching, and happy mapping.